Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, let me remind you to subscribe my channel named Literary Girl V6R. Starting from the title of the video, what is the most saddest poem ever written in literature? Let me clarify this first. This approach is subjective, like it may vary depending upon different comprehension and different perspectives of different people, but most of the people believe that this is the most saddest poem. And it is written by Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan Poe is basically the most versatile poet, and he had written this poem before few days of his death. So this is more painful because it shows that how much he was suffering and he was in extreme pain even at deathbed. So, starting from the title of the poem, the title is Annabel Lee. What is the title of the poem suggest and what is it about? Basically, it is the name of her mistress, Annabel Lee. And they used to live together in childhood. They used to live at the seaside and they were the most happiest souls in the universe. Poe had depicted the idea that they were so in love and they were so happy that even the angels of the heaven got jealous of them and they decided to take away the life of Annabel Lee. She died in her early age. So this was even more painful because we know that Poe had written this poem in his last days. So he was in constant pain, he was in constant struggle to forget someone. He kept remembering that girl every single night. And the whole of life has passed and he was unable to forget that girl. This makes it even more painful. This poem is published after his death. I have added some of the thematic concerns regarding this poem. First one is physical versus eternal love. We know that their love is beyond this physical world and Poe believe that they are connected, their souls are connected. It also highlights the theme of spirituality as well because we know that their souls are spiritually connected in all of the worlds which exists. It also highlights the idea immortality of love, that how love never dies. Then it also gives the idea of ache of separation, that how the person is constantly struggling throughout his whole life but he was unable to cope up with these struggles. It was internal conflict and it never ended. I hope that you have liked this video. What do you guys think? Can a poem be a sadder than a movie or not? Give your opinions in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.